Hello guys, long time no see. Got a couple things here in front of me from Sserafim, so let's get into it. First we'll start off with this. First of all, I didn't even know they came out with this. I wish there was like some kind of like something you could sign up for that sends you a text message or an email when things become available or for pre-order for a group, because I could not find this. This was so hard to find, but we'll get into that in a second. First, let's start off with this, which is it says the dream or the daydream believers. It's like a HYBE insight thing. I don't know. Sserafim is like my first HYBE group, so I know like HYBE does like certain things. So this is like a what do you call those things? Like a CD case or something. And it comes with 2 sets of photo cards. I wonder if this can fit in my photo card binder. I hope so. So first we have this. They're all concept cards, but I still like to collect them. So there's like a close-up shot and then like a full body or like a farther away shot. And then this is what the back looks like. I could see real quick if this will fit the binders, or at least the one that I have. I don't think it'll fit. Yeah, it's the sleeve that I use. Yeah, that won't fit. I'll find a way to store that. If not, just in this. Actually, I probably have like my regular pocket pages that it'll fit into. I hate these like cassette tape things. Oh my god. Alright. I'm traumatized like from that Etsy comeback with those. Okay, so first we have this, and this is like a, I guess like a pre-order benefit from Weaver's shop. It's just kind of like a laminated picture. Yeah, I think it's just laminated. Unless I just can't figure out how to open it. But it'll live in here anyway, so. And then we have this mini photo book. So this photo book is similar to the size of the Day Off photo book they have. God, why does their packaging always have to be so destructive? Oh my god, I just closed it back on itself. There. Whew. Okay. And let's see. Let's go look at this stuff first. So this is like boarding pass tickets. I hate that plasticky noise. Here. I wish they would have just made this like photo card sized, but we can't have it all, right? here's the photo cards. Oop. Cute. And this is the back. Then we have this little book, which is like a passport. Cute. And then we have the photo book, which I'll try to go through this kind of speedy because it is thick, which is nice because I feel like a lot of their, well, the Day Off in Jeju one was kind of small. Sorry if you could hear that buzzing noise. It's like the air going through my air condition that is like still in my window, even though it's so cold outside. It's cute. This does remind me of that other photo book in terms of like the style, I guess. But it is like definitely bigger for sure. Kind of hard to keep this book open because it's so like tightly bound. Sorry if you can see my shirt, it has Mickey Mouse on it. I do like that this photo book is small. Honestly, I do like the size of all of the Sserafim like albums and books. Like I like how they're consistent like with the sizing. Cute. I think last time the inclusions was like a postcard and just, was it just one set of photo cards? I'll have to like, I don't even remember the last couple pages. And that's it. Okay, well, this is what we got in today's unboxing. These cards. And this. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I really appreciate it. If you liked my video, feel free to leave a comment, like, even subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers and I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, have a great rest of your day. Bye.